Hey everybody, today is Saturday, December 23rd. It is the 23rd day of my 25 Days of Christmas series installment. And before you see this little mold. And I had actually forgotten about this little mold. But I want to do the deer heads here. And I'm actually going to be making a pair of earrings for myself. I don't wear jewelry that often, but these are cute, and I think I'm actually going to wear these. Anyway, it's the little deer head, and I am absolutely determined to get something sparkly to come out with this holographic silver. I'm not going to put a whole lot in it, just a few flakes, and I am ambitious or a glutton for punishment, not sure which, but I'm going to be using the UV resin again today. Now, y'all go ahead, cross your fingers, start wishing me luck that this turns out right, because for some reason, me and this UV resin hasn't been getting along too well. And you know what? If it doesn't work this time, I am going to definitely be putting it in a bottle of water so that it will cure for me. Alright, let's get into this, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm actually kind of nervous about this one today because, I've had quite a few that didn't actually turn out right. And I'm just going to open this over this. Look, that time none. Oh, one fell out right there. But anyway, I'm just going to get a teensy tiny bit. Don't think any actually went up in the antlers, but that's okay. Maybe when I put the resin in, it will float it over there. I don't know. Now, I am going to do this very thinly this time, because I don't know if that was the issue the last time or if it was because of the weather. I don't know. Get down in there. Oh, okay. I think that's enough glitter. I mean, it's sparkly. It doesn't have to be full of glitter, right? Just a little sparkle. Sometimes you just want a little glitz. Although, I have more in this one than I do that one. Let me put a little bit more in this one. Did you fall down in there? Nope, not really. I need a non-static spoon. Probably got too much that time, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna go with it. We are. Oh, yeah. Maybe that is too much. Yeah, that looks like quite a bit. Looks like quite a bit more than it should be. I wonder if I can flick some of that out. Turn it upside down. Oh, yes. Yes. Alright, there we go. That's good. That's good right there. I know it's messy, but, maybe I can get some of it off. Hang on, I'll try. Okay, that's the best I could do. It's not so messy anymore. Alright, here we go. Like I said, I'm kind of nervous to see if this is going to work right today. Put a okay. That's all right. This one's clear. We can flip it over. Hopefully that will work. All right. That's all I want to put in there, because I still need room for the earring back. I'm just going to set that on there, and I'm going to grab my big lamp real quick. And went ahead and switched that one over, and I do have my big light sitting right here. See? It's right there. I'm going to let this sit for a minute under this little UV flashlight torch, and then I'm going to switch it over to the big one. I've got to get my earring backs out, and I have to remember where I put them, because I can't remember if I put them in with all my jewelry stuff or not. So I will go get that and get this done. All right. I didn't have any glitter in the top antler thing, so I put a little bit more and put another thin layer on that. I know I was going to do it with you, but you know, I don't want this video to be too long. Y'all know what it looks like to add this stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, that is uneven. Let me try to even that up before I put those backs in there. The good thing is, I'm pretty sure this is curing. That's really a good thing. All right. I'm going to stick this back under. And I will bring them back in a second. Well, second for you. It'll be however long it takes to cure these. Okay, I just set the backs in there. I haven't put any resin in there yet, because I just set them in there to see if that's where they need to go, and that looks like that is where they need to go. And this one still doesn't have enough resin up here in the little antlers. Probably somewhere else too. I don't know. Oh, the glitter is making it hard to see if I have it where it needs to be. I think that's good on that one. Oop. And I think that one's good. All right, so I'll go ahead and get this cured. And then we'll have the big reveal. Okay, these are ready to come out. I want you to see something though. See that? Had another eruption. Do not have a clue what is causing that. It is just so weird. But anyway, I'm going to take these out. I'll put the backs on them while they're still in the mold. Those backs are so hard to get on. These are the stainless steel 6mm backs that I got from Temu. Okay, are we ready? Fingers crossed. Oh. It definitely picked up the extra glitter that was on the edge. I tried my best to get that off, y'all. I really did. But thankfully, oh, there is something right there. I don't know what it is. Uneven? No, I don't know what it was. Caught my glove on it though, but I'm not feeling any. Maybe, yeah, right there's a little sharp spot, but that's okay. I can fix that later. I'll definitely have to fix that eruption because I do not want that sitting up against my ear. But anyway, here we go. Well, wait a minute. Okay. There's a sharp piece of glitter right there. Right. Here we go. Those are pretty. Let me back you out a second. Oh my goodness, aren't those so cute? They turned out so adorable. I am happy with those, and I will be wearing them. And you know what? I can wear these anytime, winter, as long as it's winter, not summer. I wouldn't want to wear them in summer, but I can wear them in the winter. Yes, I can. And they're so cute, and I'm happy that these actually turned out. Got a little cleanup to do. That's just fine. Everything else turned out well with these. I really, oh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. I wish I could show them to you better. Sorry about that. They're out there doing wood today. I helped earlier. Look, I put them on something. You can see them better. Aren't they just so adorable? A little bit of cleanup, no big deal. They look awesome. I'm really happy with these. So, if you like my little deer earrings, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. Tell me that you like them. I know that there is a deer emoji. If you don't want to do anything else, well, just leave me a deer emoji. And if you have not subscribed yet, how about doing that today? I mean, what you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button. I would really love to have you part of the Twisted Tree Arts family. All right, y'all. Today is the 23rd. The 23rd day installment of my 25 Days of Christmas. 2 more to go. I'm excited and so happy that I have gotten this far in my series. All right, now, I hope you enjoy your weekend. We are on the countdown to Christmas. 2 more days. 2 more days. Or would that technically be a day and a half? Depends on where you are. But for me, in my area, roughly a day and a half. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I will catch you all later. Bye.